Great, so Apple's upcoming M4 MacBook Pros completely stripped out traditional copper cooling. Welcome back to Majesty Computer. Today we are opening up the factory schematics to expose why Apple's new graphene, thermal sheet and metal battery wrappers are an absolute repair shop nightmare. Before you buy into the hype, let's dive into the circuit board. The first thing we are looking at is the graphene and metal battery trap. Apple is bonding a microscopic graphene sheet directly across the M4 silicon because graphene transfers heat faster than copper. But graphene is incredibly brittle. If a technician peels back this sheet during a logic board diagnostic trial, the layer will tear, permanently ruining its cooling efficiency. Worse yet, the battery is transitioning from a soft plastic point to a solid metal casing wrap. Apple claimed the metal case acts as an extra heatsink, but for technicians, a metal wrapper surrounding high-density lithium cell means using standard steel prying tools is now an absolute short-circuit hazard. One slip can break a live power rail straight to that metal battery casing, causing a dangerous thermal event right on your bench. Boom. The soda bottleneck of this video. To pack everything into this slim chassis, the high-speed unified memory module are soldered directly onto the processor substrate layer with a zero air gap tolerance. Any localized thermal expansion near those fragile graphene boundaries put immense physical shear stress on a microscopic BGA solder sphere beneath the RAM, leading to intermittent connection failure over time. This isn't designed for long-term device longevity. It is designed to force you out of independent repair shops and straight into expensive Apple factory replacement program. So now Apple don't want you to send your devices to a local shop, but rather send it to Apple Care or expensive Apple shop for them to do repairs on this new upcoming Apple devices. Great. Now I want you to know we are now 42 tech masters strong on this channel because the Majesty crew demands the raw hardware truth. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now to protect your right to repair these upcoming devices. Now, and drop your comment below. Will you buy a laptop knowing a single slip of a repair tool could short out the entire battery frame? I'm Majesty Architect, and the workbench is clear. And I will see you in the next deep dive.